Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by gathering only the accepted proofs, original government ID and the legal document for name change, like a marriage certificate or affidavit. Once done, take a clear passport photo that meets Aadhaar standards, no sunglasses or hats. Next, find your nearest Aadhaar Seva Kendra and book an appointment if possible. This saves waiting time. I'm telling you this because starting with complete, compliant documents avoids rejection and restarts, so make sure everything is ready before you leave. At the center, ask explicitly for a demographic update for name and photo. Once the staff gives you the form, fill only the relevant fields and hand over originals for verification. They will scan and upload the proofs. Then you will review the entered name on the screen, read it aloud to confirm accuracy, and provide biometric authentication, fingerprint and iris or OTP as required. This step finalizes identity linkage, so take your time to check spellings and spell out any ambiguities. Complete the process by paying the update fee and obtaining the acknowledgement slip that contains your update request number. This is essential for tracking. Once processed, typically within a few weeks, you'll receive the updated Aadhaar or an Aadhaar PDF link on your registered mobile or email. If the update is rejected, use the URN to see the exact reason, correct the specific document or spelling error, and return to the center quickly. One troubleshooting tip: mismatched names between proofs are the common failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.